Hi guys, this is boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to buy keep talking coin. The first thing, you need to go to App Store and download Trust Wallet. Type Trust Wallet. I have bad connection, sorry. When you download it, go to app and hit the at the bottom DEX and search for keep talking. The token keep talking. Where it's here. When you found it, it's here. Keep talking. If you need to buy it, go to Binance. Hit to buy to Ethereum and buy it. When you buy it, copy the ID wallet and type the amount you need to buy keep talking, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time guys. Bye bye.